According to Service Aurora, the aurora is an incredible light show caused by collisions between electrically charged particles released from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere and collide with gases such as oxygen and nitrogen. The world has two hemispheres, therefore the aurora shows in the north and are called Aurora Borealis, or northern lights. On the other hand, at south are called Aurora Australis, or southern lights. The scientific explication about the natural phenomenon is according to Service Aurora. The Aurora Borealis is created when the sun's atmosphere is opening and allows electrons and protons to flow out. Aurora Borealis need a lot of charged particles colliding with the Earth to create the vivid displays. According to the atlas, the intensity of the solar particles is measured by the KP index that goes on a scale of 0 to 9. The higher this value, the auroras can be seen from places further away from the poles, or to put in another way, the further north of Canada, the more likely we are to see auroras, even if the KP is not too high. Furthermore, the darkness is an essential requirement to see auroras. Also, the best place to see boreal auroras is in Canada, Yukon, because it is the epicenter in Whitehorse. Even in that place, you found a hotel specialist in seeing the northern lights. Consequently, the other place to see an aurora is in Canada, Northwest, because it's a famous place where you could enjoy the phenomenon in a small village. The third place to see is in Canada, Nunavut, where the sun has the coldest and remote places to see the lights. Although the Aurora Borealis is a phenomenon which you find in different places of the world, you need to understand these advices to prepare the trip of Aurora Borealis. First, the Scandia, the region of Lapland, Swedish, Finnish or Russian, is famous for the presence of northern lights every winter. In Finland, from it is possible to enjoy the auroras, although if we go to Ivalo, much better. And in America, the Canadian North, the island of Newfoundland, Greenland, geographically it is inside the American plate or good part of Alaska. They are excellent places to be able to observe this phenomenon. Siberia, Russia too, but reaching the northernmost area is very complicated. The aurora's phenomenon is given in a season since it depends on the arrival of the travelers and their attraction to the magnetic field, but in the Nordic countries, summers, especially July and much of August, have sunlight that lasts all day. Above the Arctic Circle, the midnight sun phenomenon does not get to the darken of several weeks, and the northern lights can be seen with a more or less closed light. A hypothetical circle is drawn both in the north and in the southern Antarctic and allows you to observe that light show in areas close to the polar circle line. If the activity is very strong, the northern light can be seen at much lower levels of the European continent, coming down to the doors of also Helsinki.